Welcome to the Mind Detective channel, where we uncover the secrets of psychology to help you navigate the complexities of human interaction. In today's video, we're diving into the realm of attraction and revealing 10 powerful mind tricks that will make any girl fall for you. Get ready to unlock the secrets of psychology and charm your way into her heart. 1. Have your own life. The first step to making any girl fall for you is to have your own fulfilling life. Dive into adventures, explore new hobbies, and embrace opportunities for personal growth. Whether it's hiking through breathtaking landscapes, expressing yourself through art, or immersing yourself in different cultures while traveling, having a rich and vibrant life will naturally make you more attractive. 2. Develop an interesting hobby or passion building. On the foundation of having your own life, developing an interesting hobby or passion can add depth and intrigue to your personality. Explore diverse interests, from the culinary arts to cultivating a green thumb in gardening, capturing moments through photography, or crafting handmade masterpieces through woodworking. Whatever ignites your passion, let it shine brightly and draw others to your captivating energy. 3. Maintain great hygiene. Good hygiene is not only about physical cleanliness, but also about self-respect and presentation. Dedicate time to pamper yourself with luxurious showers, grooming sessions, and refreshing skincare routines. Invest in quality grooming products and subtle fragrances to enhance your allure. Remember, confidence is the best accessory, and taking care of yourself inside and out will exude irresistible charm. 4. Utilize the Benjamin Franklin effect. The Benjamin Franklin effect is a psychological phenomenon that underscores the power of reciprocity in building relationships. Harness this principle by gracefully requesting small favors or assistance from the girl you're interested in. Whether it's asking for a recommendation, seeking advice, or simply borrowing a pen, these subtle interactions can pave the way for deeper connections and mutual attraction. 5. Make her laugh. Laughter is a universal language that transcends barriers and fosters genuine connections. Cultivate your sense of humor and sprinkle humor into your interactions with the girl you're trying to win over. Share amusing anecdotes, witty remarks, and playful banter to create moments of joy and camaraderie. Remember, a shared laugh is a bond that can forge lasting memories and deepen your rapport. 6. Be a genuine friend. Friendship forms the bedrock of any meaningful relationship, providing a solid foundation built on trust, mutual respect, and shared experiences. Demonstrate your genuine interest and care for the girl by being a supportive friend who listens attentively, offers encouragement, and celebrates her victories. Show up when she needs a shoulder to lean on, and let your unwavering support pave the way for deeper emotional intimacy. 7. Break the touch barrier. Physical touch is a powerful tool for expressing affection, building rapport, and deepening emotional connections. Break the touch barrier by initiating gentle, non-intrusive contact, such as a light touch on the arm, a warm hug, or a playful tap on the shoulder. Pay attention to her body language and response, and gradually escalate physical intimacy based on mutual comfort and consent. 8. Share personal secrets. Vulnerability is the key to forging genuine connections and fostering trust in any relationship. Open up to the girl you're interested in by sharing personal secrets, fears, and aspirations. Be authentic and transparent, allowing her to glimpse into your inner world and emotions. By confiding in her and inviting her to do the same, you'll create a sacred bond founded on honesty and mutual understanding. 9. Give her your undivided attention. In a world filled with distractions, giving someone your undivided attention is a rare and precious gift. Show the girl you're interested in that she's your top priority by actively listening to her, maintaining deep eye contact, and engaging in meaningful conversations. Demonstrate genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences, making her feel valued, cherished, and truly seen. 10. Boost your confidence. Confidence is magnetic, drawing others towards you with its irresistible allure and self-assurance. Invest in your self-esteem by embracing your strengths, confronting your insecurities, and embarking on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Cultivate a positive mindset, set ambitious goals, and challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone. Remember, true confidence stems from self-love, acceptance, and authenticity, radiating outward and captivating those around you. And there you have it, 10 powerful mind tricks to make any girl fall for you. By applying these psychological principles with sincerity and respect, you can create genuine connections and foster meaningful relationships. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content from the Mind Detective channel. Until next time, may your interactions be filled with charm, authenticity, and irresistible allure.